How much more to 10? Add the numbers and tap all the correct answers. Subtract the two numbers and type the answer. Count and tap the object with the biggest value. Find all the circles.
Skidos, edifying games.